People all across the Delaware Valley had some snow clearing to take care of today for the first time in some time. That kept a new app considered the Uber for snow plowing very busy. Eyewitness News reporter Trang Do in Spring Garden to explain how this works. Hi, Trang.
Well, hey, Jess, as you saw, snow days are a lot of fun for kids, but not so much for adults who have to clean this mess up. That's why that snow removal app is in such high demand right now. In fact, its founder tells me that in the Philly area, just about every 20 seconds, the app is getting a request for services.
The ice is very tough to get up. It freezes itself down and throws some salt down, but it gets annoying after a while.
The sound of shovels scraping the sidewalks is often heard in conjunction with sighs of frustration, like on Green Lane in Manayunk. But James Koopman of K-Squared Property Services is different from most.
Snow is actually my favorite thing. I'll travel anywhere when there's a snowstorm.
Koopman's company is one of about 60 local contractors on the Plows and Mows app, which is available in more than 55 cities, including Philadelphia. People can go onto the app, enter in what services they need, and they'll get an instant quote. Due to demand right now, the cost ranges from $50 to $100. Jobs are then dispatched out to the nearest contractor, like Uber or Lyft. Wills Mahoney co-founded the app.
I'm based here in Syracuse, New York, which is one of the snowiest cities in the country. And, you know, my mom, of all people, couldn't get out of her driveway one day. I called every snowplow operator possible. No one picked up their phone. Meanwhile, I'm shoveling out her driveway and I see plow trucks driving by and I'm like, we can solve this problem.
Eyewitness News caught up with Koopman at a job in Berwyn, Chester County. He says partnering with the app has been a great way to connect to new customers, especially after 2 snowless winters.
We're picking up extra work where we can, so this is a good opportunity to get those picked up. And this was here, and you know, there's snow, so.
Now, as for the city's progress on plowing, the streets department has about 300 trucks out on the streets trying to get this plowing done. In fact, they have trash and recycling on delay for a day to try to make it to all of these streets. They say that if you haven't seen that your street has gotten plowed yet, to just be patient. But for now, we're live from Spring Garden. I'm Trang Do, CBS 3 Eyewitness News. Jess.
All right, Trang, thank you.